Hi Rockets! We're going to do a quick review of the basics and learn our C chord and F chord. First, let's practice naming the parts. Please echo me. Head, tuning pegs, neck, first fret, second fret, third fret, body, sound hole, bridge, 4 strings, pick. Now let's review our basic holding of the ukulele. First of all, please use my posters above me, right there, to find your left and right hand. Left hand is on the neck. Remember to just drop it by your side in a relaxed C shape. Just lift your elbow. And the neck will be resting in the palm of your hand. The thumb is supporting the ukulele on the back, not touching any strings. And we're right underneath the head of the ukulele. This is our open position. Find your right hand. Take your first finger and thumb like you're turning a key in a lock. When you have your pick, remember that you're holding this flat side and letting the pointiest side brush the strings gently. Use your arm, your torso, and your leg to support the ukulele. Use your thigh when you're on the risers to support your ukulele, okay? Then our down strum is brushing downward across the strings gently. Make sure your wrist is flexible. We're just brushing across the strings, nice and gentle. Brushing across the strings gently. This is our down strum in open position. To play the C chord, we're going to find our third finger on our left hand. Use the posters to find your left hand. Starting with your index, count 1, 2, then 3. 3 is your ring finger. Take your ring finger and press and hold the bottom string down onto the red dot nice and tight. I'll show you that again. Ring finger, which is your third finger. Press and hold the bottom string down nice and tight onto the red dot. I'm going to use my thumb to put pressure so I can hold that string down nice and tight. Make sure that you're pressing down on the flat part of the fret, not on the bars on the sides. Press down on the flat part. Then when we strum, it will create the C chord. Please echo me. Will you say third finger, red dot, C chord. The second chord we're learning today is the F chord, the letter F. We are going to find our peace sign fingers on our left hand. These are the 2 fingers, your first and second finger, that we'll be using to play the F chord. The F chord is the green dots on our ukulele. Our index finger, or our first finger, will press down on the string on the green dot closest to the head, and our second finger is going to go across and press down on the top string where that other green dot is. Now the tricky thing about this chord is to not accidentally lay your fingers down flat and cover the strings. You want to keep your fingers nice and round and just press those 2 places. It's really tricky, especially if you have nails like Miss Millard. Everybody's hands are different, so it takes a little practice, but you'll get it. Make sure you're pressing down on just those 2 strings to make the F chord. If you accidentally lay your fingers down flat on the strings, it will sound muted like this. That can happen on 1 or more strings. So if you hear that sound, double check that you're just pressing those 2 places and not other places on accident.